dying because
Was there?
light.
We're on video or photos?
Trust me, Ronnie. You'd have to attach Uncle Ben onto it to make the rod snap.
That's alright, he's doing well. Ah. Was it a good fish? Oh, oh poor Ronnie. Right, we're on the big cam here, Joe, now.
You videoing it?
Yeah. There he is, Jared's bringing in. What's this, Jared? Number 4 carp? 5? Number 5 on pellets. Oh no, he's lost it. Oh, gutted. Oh.
Do the rod tip for me, bruv. Further down.
Oh, that was a disappointment, that was.
Dad, shall we go and hit the thing in
Do it. Look what you're doing.
Yeah.
Shall we go and dip the net in the antibacterial?
No. Photo, Ben.
Video.
What about the field? Rod up. Rod up. Really slowly. Okay, I'll take it.
We got him. Good fight for a little 2-pounder, isn't it?